Today we're going to look at asensus Surgical, ticker ASXC. It's a short video. This is not financial advice. This is Flash Instincts. Make sure to hit the red subscribe button. We're gonna go briefly summarize what would happen, and then we're gonna see some price action, price predictions, etc. So we did have a bull flag right here. This pennant right here formed. You see this right here. It was formed. Then it had a huge shot up, a gap up to $2.91, and it retracted and started filling it up. On June 4th, 2021, it was a confirmation of the bull flag, bull pennant, and it filled up this gap. Once it filled up the gap, it's known to have another 20 to 30% bullish run, which I did predict and which did come to fruition. It would go from $2.75 all the way to $3.73. In my previous videos, I did say 3.5 would be a good resistance zone, a support zone. 3.5 for asensus Surgical is a big pivotal time. 3.3, 3.2, 3.1 to 3.5. It is a huge phase for consolidation. This is a battle zone. This is when more investors are able to come in for this stock and burst it up for the next run. Now guys, remember, asensus Surgical has not been short squeezed. It has not been squeezed. It is still heavily shorted, but it is finding battleground, a place where it can hold, stand, and still. 3.5 proves to be a very decent entry point. It is proven from the previous bull run around the February of 2021, where you saw it was around 3.5 for a long time, and then suddenly it would rise to $7. Right now, we are at a consolidation phase for asensus Surgical. Do not panic. Not every company goes to the moon right away. You have to be patient with asensus Surgical. It's patience that of a doctor, a surgeon. It requires meticulous patience. So calm down, take a deep breath. It's okay. Right now, we're at a beautiful phase. If you really like this company, collect the shares. As you see a dip that it goes around $3, collect more. Keep adding to your position. This is a long-term stock. So I'll get more technical real quick. The 2.8 region is a super buy zone right now. The 3.11 to 3.7, it is a super support region right now. It is also a buy zone. Why do I say that? It bounced off of this one time on June 8th, second time again on June 9th to June 10th, third time June 11th, fourth time on June 18th, fifth time June 21, June 21 two times in the same day. June 22 also it bounced off of this $3.10, $3.05 region, okay? This is a crazy major support region. Also on June 24, it bounced off of this area as well. June 24, it hit that region and it bounced right back up. What is that telling you? Right now, it's saying that, hey, asensus Surgical really likes bouncing off a $3 region. It is going to retest that 3.5 region, 3.5 to 3.7 region. And once it has huge volume, more momentum, it has to have volume in order to go to the next point. Now the next point, where do I see what is the next resistance point for asensus Surgical? The next future price target for the short term is $4.50. This is probably a 1 month period. Then another short-term period is $5.70, $5.70 to $6. This is another 2 to 3 months later. And eventually we're gonna retest the $7 region. This is gonna be a major retest zone. Now, what's important is the time frame. Some of you are option traders. This is going to take time. It can't be within 3 to 6 months. It might even take longer than that. It doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, this company has money at hand. They're doing whatever they can to possibly grow. They're broadcasting their company. They're revealing new ways for surgeons to learn about their device, the Evo device. And they're working on their haptic feedback for machine learning to learn better as more surgeries are happening. Machine learning devices require time to gather data. And the more data they have, the better they become in the future. So that's what asensus Surgical has. A machine learning robot that is able to assist surgeons do minimally invasive surgeries. So I did go a little quick. I'm gonna try to summarize quickly. This is a long-term stock, but in the short term, about 3 to 4 months, it may attest to hit 450. Then it may go sideways for a little while again. and then it made retest and try to go to $5.60, $6, and eventually $7. Now, the interesting part about this bull run compared to the last bull run, if you want to compare from January 4th, 2021 to February 11th, 2021, this was a major bull rush because it was a lot of people putting in money into the stock market. Every sector was blowing up in this specific time. This was a huge rush because it was trying to predict a crash following because it went up too fast. So that's what happened, right? It went back down in a peak low of $1.50 for Asensus Surgical. Now, the important thing about it is right now we are recovering. It is already proven that we're in a golden cross for the 6-month chart. It's a long-term bullish run. Also, historically, Asensus Surgical likes to bounce off of the 200 MA, and the second time it does is very strong. Another thing that I want to summarize and tell you that this slow bullish run up, it's good. It's very healthy for the company, okay? The slower the runs up, the more it's able to sustain it and not crash. And therefore, it will have higher highs in a slow, progressive manner. I hope I was able to help. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button for more content.